Anterior border is from pubic tubercle to the acetabular notch. An inferior border forms the upper margin of obturator foramen. Surfaces. The pectineal surface lies between anterior and superior borders. Pelvic surface lies between superior and inferior borders. Surfaces. The pectineal surface lies between anterior and superior borders. Pelvic surface between superior and inferior borders. Obturator surface between anterior and inferior borders. Inferior ramus. The inferior ramus extends between the body of pubis to the ramus of ischium, below obturator foramen. It forms a conjoint ischiopubic rami with the ramus of ischium. Now last, ischium forms postero-inferior part of hip bone and it forms 2/5 part of the acetabulum. It forms also the posterior boundary of the obturator foramen. It comprises of a body and a ramus arising at acute angle from the body. Body has two ends. Upper end forms part of the acetabulum. Lower end forms the ischial tuberosity. It has got three borders. Anterior border forms posterior margin of acetabulum. Posterior border shows ischial spine. It continues with the lesser sciatic notch, and lateral border forms lateral border of the ischial tuberosity. The prominent ischial tuberosity. It is divided by a transverse ridge into an upper and lower areas. Upper area is divided by an oblique line into a superolateral and an infromedial part. The lower area is divided into an outer and inner part. The ramus of ischium. It is a single ramus of ischium which unites with the inferior ramus of pubis to form the conjoint ischiopubic rami. This rami has two borders, upper and lower, two surfaces, outer and inner. The upper border forms margin of obturator foramen and lower border forms part of pubic arch. The attachments. Anterior superior iliac spine. Lateral end of the inguinal ligament is attached to the upper part of the anterior superior iliac spine. Below that it gives origin to a parallel muscle which is known as the sartorius. Sartorius arises from anterior superior iliac spine, passes across the thigh on the medial aspect of the knee joint and gets inserted into the upper medial surface of tibia. Now we come to anterior inferior iliac spine. It gives attachment to the straight head of rectus femoris in the upper part, and the reflected head is below, just above the acetabulum. This is the rectus femoris lying anterior to the vastus intermedius. This is typically bipinnate in nature. The tendon is in between and the fibers are going downwards and medially and laterally to each side. This muscle gets inserted into the upper border of the patella. The anterior inferior iliac spine. In its lower part, it gives attachment to a very strong ligament, the iliofemoral ligament. It is inverted Y-shaped. The apex is attached to the anterior inferior iliac spine, and by its two ends it is attached to the two parts of anterior intertrochanteric line of femur. Also seen is the pubofemoral ligament going medially and arising from the body of the pubis to the femur. Also in relation to the hip joint is the ischiofemoral ligament from the body of the ischium to the acetabulum. The ventral segment of the iliac crest. The outer lip of the iliac crest gives attachment to the fascia lata in its whole extent. The outer lip of iliac crest also gives origin to tensor fascia lata in front of the tubercle of iliac crest. It gets inserted into the iliotibial tract. This tract extends down till the lateral condyle of tibia. Into this iliotibial tract is also inserted the big gluteus maximus muscle, the whole of upper half and superficial part of lower half. That means almost 3/4 of the muscle is inserted into the iliotibial tract. The outer lip also gives insertion to external oblique in the anterior 2/3 of outer lip of ventral segment. The intermediate area of the ventral segment of iliac crest gives origin to internal oblique in the anterior 2/3. The inner lip gives origin to transversus abdominis in the anterior 2/3. Even fascia transversalis is attached all along the length. The dorsal segment of iliac crest. From the dorsal lateral slope of the dorsal segment arises the huge anti-gravity muscle, which is the gluteus maximus. It also arises from the posterior most part of the gluteal surface of hip bone and the subjacent muscles. The next figure shows the attachment of the gluteus medius muscle, which arises between the posterior and anterior gluteal lines. The smallest one is the gluteus minimus, which arises between the anterior and inferior gluteal lines. The medial slope of the dorsal segment of iliac crest gives origin to the erector spinae, which is the true muscle of the back supplied by the dorsal primary rami of the various spinal nerves. This is the iliac fossa, and only iliacus muscle arises from the upper 2/3 of the iliac fossa, and this is the muscle which is flexor of the hip joint. The sacropelvic surface. The iliac tuberosity gives attachment to interosseous sacroiliac ligament, dorsal sacroiliac ligament posteriorly, and iliolumbar ligament superiorly. The interosseous sacroiliac ligament is attached to wide rough area adjoining the concave margins of auricular surface on both the sacrum and the hip bone. Dorsal sacroiliac ligament is attached above the interosseous one on the hip bone. Iliolumbar ligament extends from transverse process of 5th lumbar vertebra to posterior part of inner lip of iliac crest. Ventral sacroiliac ligament is attached to convex margin of auricular surface. It is also attached to preauricular sulcus. Arising from the ischial tuberosity is a strong ligament, the sacrotuberous ligament. It passes up to the posterior superior iliac spine, posterior inferior iliac spine, and to the back of the sacrum. Extending between the ischial spine and the lower part of the sacrum is a horizontally placed ligament, the sacrospinous ligament. These two ligaments convert the greater sciatic notch and the lesser sciatic notch into greater sciatic foramen and the lesser sciatic foramen. This specimen shows the ischial tuberosity, and arising from the ischial tuberosity is a strong sacrotuberous ligament going up to the sacrum. The